Hello everybody, in this video I will do some grade 10 revision on analytical geometry. I will discuss the distance formula, the midpoint formula, and I will show you how to find the equation of a straight line. Let's take a look at all the important formulas that you must know already. The distance formula, the midpoint formula, the gradient formula. Two parallel lines, the gradients are equal. Perpendicular lines, there's a formula. The one gradient times the other gradient is equal to -1. And then for the straight line, there's two formulas. Now I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a straight line when one point and the y-intercept is given. Example 1. Give the equation of the line passing through the point P 3, 4 and y-intercept 1. Already, y-intercept symbol is C. And then this other point consists of a x and a y coordinate. There's the steps. Step 1, let's write down the formula. Y is mx plus c. Then in y's place we substitute that other point's y coordinate and in x's place 3. The next step, we know c's value. C is 1. The y-intercept, so we substitute that one, and then we're going to solve m. The 1 will walk across and it becomes -1. 4 minus 1 is 3, and then let's solve m. M is equal to 1. Therefore, the equation for the straight line y is equal to 1x plus 1. Example 2. Give the equation of the line passing through the point K11 and 0, 4. Now I want to show you this other point 0, 4. This is in fact a y-intercept because the rule is y-intercept we make x 0. So they were hiding the fact that it's indeed a y-intercept. You look for the x, and when your x is 0, you know it's a y-intercept. This other point k, you just deal with it as a normal point, in other words, a x and a y coordinate. There's your steps. We start with the formula y is mx plus c. Now we substitute the coordinate in x's place 1, in y's place 1. The next step is we know c's value is 4. We substitute and then we're going to solve m. So the 4 will walk across and it becomes -3 is equal to m, the gradient. Therefore the formula y is -3x plus 4. Now we're going to find the equation of a straight line when the gradient and one point is given. In the previous two examples, the y-intercepts were given. Example 3. Determine the equation of the straight line passing through the point B, -3, 6 and gradient 2. So already we know that the gradient m is 2 and this point consists of a x and a y. Here's the steps. Let's write down the formula. Y is mx plus c. Now we substitute in y's place 6, in x's place -3. In m's place, now we're going to substitute 2, the gradient, and 2 times -3 is -6. We'll let the -6 walk across, it finds the 6 and it adds 12 is equal to c. Therefore your equation y is 2x plus 12. Example 4. Determine the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 0 with gradient equal to 4. So we know that 4 is m's value. Let's zoom in on this other point to 0. It is not the y-intercept, because a y-intercept, the x will be 0. This is in fact the x-intercept since the y is 0, but we deal with this as if it's just a normal coordinate consisting of a x and a y. So we start with the equation, y is mx plus c. And then we're going to substitute in that other point the coordinates in y's place 0, in x's place 2. Then we know the gradient. It was given m is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and we solve c. So negative 8 is equal to c. Therefore, the equation y is equal to 4x minus 8. In the next video, I will zoom in on a straight line and gradient. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.